So I think we covered all the topics in the respective trainings. So I think one topic is last, which is left, that is how to integrate third-party libraries. If you remember, I told you that we will see this part. Like, let's say if there are any certain third-party JavaScript libraries and you want to use them in your project, UI5 project, to add more functionality to this project, how you can do that. So normally to add a third party libraries, right? Like for example, JSPDF. JSPDF, it is a third party JavaScript library. What it does, using JSPDF library, you can create your own PDF files. And within a PDF file, you can add anything. Like, let's say you're creating your own form, a form layout in which you're displaying some data, a text format. You want to create a table in PDF. So everything you can do, and you can print it that as a form of PDF using what? Using JSPDF. So there is a real-time example of this JSPDF. So this is like a website where you can get a documentation of JSPDF. See, it's a real-time working example. So you can create a PDF like, see, just now they have added this, but if you change anything from here, right? So let's say you want to set an image. For that, they have used doc.addImage. So add image, it is a method of JSPDF. But before you call JSPDF method, we must initialize the constructor of JSPDF. So once the instance is created of JSPDF, through that you can call any methods. So like you can set the font size, whichever font size you want, you can set that. You want to set a text, you can add doc.text text. So to add an image, you can use doc.addImage. So all these are methods which you can use. So now same thing if you want to utilize in UI5 application. So for that, first of all, we need to download the library of this JSPDF. So you can search for download jspdf.min.js file. So always look for min.js file. Okay. Don't look for CDN, always look for jspdf.min.js file. So you can click on this, it will download the zip file. Okay. Now you can download this. So there is a CDN. Yeah, this is the file which we are looking for. And yeah, both has the same file, guys. So this is what the file I need. So what I will do to add this file, I'll go to BS and yeah, I'll just drag and drop in utils folder. Okay, in utils folder, I'll just drag and drop. What it says. Yeah, I think there was we didn't extracted the file. That's why. Okay, now I'll just drag and drop. Okay, so we added this jspdf.min.js file. So it contains all the PDF related libraries. You can see, don't make any change in this, guys. Otherwise it will not work. So see, I just added normally the jspdf.min.js file in this project. And now how I can utilize this in my application. So first, after adding this library, go to manifest. That is the first part. Go to manifest. And there will be one section called resources. OK, so under that, as of now, we added a CSS. So similarly to CSS, we can add one more resource for JS. OK, and inside that, you can specify, you can directly wait. You can specify a URI. And here you can specify the path. So it is inside the utils. So I'll say utils slash jspdf.min.js. That's it. So we added one JS resource, and in that we have added the URI of the jspdf.min.js file. Now when you specify this as a resource, So this jsPDF is globally available in any XML or view file. In any controller file you can access. Okay. So now in this, in the initial page, now I'm going to add one button. Okay, in customer page. Sorry. Yeah, in customer page, I will add a footer. Okay, and in content right, I'll simply add one button, and I just want to download PDF. Okay, on download PDF is the function. So now I'll go to customer page controller. Now here what I will do. Now here you can just call that function. Now first of all, I will say odoc equal to new jsPDF. So what is the library that we have to initialize? If you go here, this is what the library we have to initialize, jsPDF. Okay, initialize the library. So you will get the constructor instance. And from that, you can call any method like text. See, I'll just copy this as it is. OK, so there is an image. Everything is there. So I'll copy this as it is and I'll directly paste. OK, that's it. Now we have image. We have this new jsPDF, set font size, text, and add image. OK, that's it. Now to download this PDF, there is a function called doc.save. Okay, so using doc.save, you can save this. So if you want to check the methods which are available for this, like you can just scroll down and there is a dedicated documentation. Click on this view documentation and you can simply search here. You can simply search for save. So there is a save method for JSPDF. And in this save method, you can pass the file name and there is an option. Okay, like option means object like so there is a promise function, okay, which you can pass in the option. So I just need to pass the file name. So I'll say it's a sample pdf.pdf. Okay, that is the file name which I'm going to provide. So now see, my button will be added in the footer. And now when I click on, okay, see there is a button as a download PDF. So when I click on download PDF, automatically the PDF will download. See, is my PDF is downloaded now. And now when I click on it, see, I'm getting the same PDF file because we copied the base64 format of the image. That is the binary string of this image. We added the text, this one, and we have set the font size as a 40. That's why we are able to see this image. OK, so guys, any questions? See, just now I added a third-party library in front of you. How much time it took to implement the PDF functionality?
So this doc, yeah. So this doc is having, JSPDF will having how many methods? I mean, a lot of methods should be there.
Lot of methods. Yes, there are a lot of methods. All that methods you can get it from the documentation. See, all these are methods of JSPDF only. Left side.
Yeah, basically, if you were, like a downloading list of records which were showing actually, so we have to get it from
that
the
also
data
you
and
can what you can do, like, see, as of now, let's say you want to download this in PDF format. Now for that, how you will do? So you can design your own code here. For that, you need to write a custom logic. Like you can set a title and all everything, and accordingly you can place the value. So for that, I think definitely we have to write a code in for loop. So one by one that record will be created and then accordingly it will be appended within a PDF file. So best way to do that is there is one more library for that, auto table JS PDF. So this auto table JSPDF library is used for creating the tables from within a PDF file. Okay. So there is one more library you can add, which is JSPDF auto table. And using that, you can create the PDF files. It is a table plugin, and yeah, see, you can create your table in this format using JSPDF auto table. Okay.
Yeah.
So at the time, like you need to initialize this new JSPDF, and I think you can simply call the auto table as well. And then this is how you can specify. In head, you can pass the header of, you can pass column names, and in body, you can pass the actual data in the array format. So once you pass, you can simply call doc.save and your table will be generated. Okay.
So this body, like it will be OData service, we can add.
Yeah, OData service, but yeah, but it must not have the JSON format. You can see they have already provided the format as well, right? How the value should be. So on top, header will be passed only once, but in body, it must have only values.
Yeah, let's say we are having 1 lakh record of the table, then it will be difficult to add here.
Yes, definitely it will be difficult. So that's why we prefer JSPDF. Oh, sorry. The spreadsheet, Excel format for that.
Okay.
So guys, any questions? So yeah, we are done with entire training part. So if you have any questions, like feel free to ping me.